Have you ever walked into a senior's home and felt an immediate sense of calm and order? It's not just about spotless floors or neatly arranged bookshelves. It's about a lifestyle built on daily habits that prioritize cleanliness, organization, and peace of mind. Over the years, I've observed, read, and even learned from discussions online about what keeps some seniors' homes perpetually inviting and fresh. Let's dive into their secrets, little things they do daily that make a big difference. Number 1. Tidy up before bed. Many seniors with clean homes swear by a simple yet effective habit: tidying up before going to bed. They don't leave dishes in the sink or laundry strewn across the couch. Instead, most of them take at least 10 to 15 minutes each evening to restore order. This small effort ensures they wake up to a clean slate. This habit isn't about perfection, but peace of mind. For example, before heading to bed, they'll quickly wash the dishes, straighten the cushions on the sofa, and take out the trash if it's full. By tackling small tasks, they eliminate the stress of waking up to unfinished chores. A tidy home in the morning often leads to a more productive and positive start to the day. One senior shared that her nightly tidying ritual includes lighting a calming candle, turning off unnecessary electronics, and making sure the entryway is clutter-free in case of early visitors. 2. Clean as they go. Instead of letting messes pile up, these seniors have mastered the art of clean as you go. They wipe down kitchen counters immediately after use, put things back in their place, and never leave a room empty-handed if something belongs elsewhere. The philosophy here is simple: little actions prevent big problems. In the kitchen, this might mean rinsing and loading dishes into the dishwasher right after eating rather than letting them stack up. In the bathroom, wiping the sink and mirror after brushing teeth ensures grime doesn't build up. By consistently addressing messes as they occur, they are able to avoid overwhelming cleaning sessions later. One retired chef mentioned that she always sweeps the floor after cooking, explaining, "It's easier to clean now than to deal with sticky crumbs later." 3. Declutter continuously. Seniors with clean homes don't let clutter accumulate. They're constantly assessing their belongings and asking themselves, "Do I still need this?" Or, "Does this bring me joy?" They've learned that less clutter means less to clean and maintain. Decluttering doesn't have to be a big event. These seniors take a slow and steady approach, tackling one drawer or corner at a time. They've also developed an eye for things that no longer serve a purpose. For example, one senior shared how she uses the one in, one out rule. If she buys a new sweater, an old one must go. Another trick is keeping donation boxes handy. When they come across items they no longer use, they drop them into the box immediately. This makes decluttering an ongoing, stress-free process. 4. Prioritize high-traffic areas. Clean homes aren't spotless everywhere all the time. Seniors focus on the areas they use most: kitchen counters, living room floors, and bathrooms. By keeping these spaces tidy, they give the impression of an entirely clean home. High-traffic areas are cleaned daily, or even multiple times a day. For instance, kitchen counters are wiped after every meal, and the living room might get a quick once-over before bedtime. Bathrooms receive daily attention, such as a quick swish of the toilet brush and a wipe of the sink. One senior shared how she focuses on the first impression areas, like the entryway and living room, because these are the spaces guests see first. This strategy keeps the home feeling inviting without requiring hours of cleaning. 5. Create a morning routine. Starting the day on a productive note sets the tone for the rest of it. Seniors with clean homes often have a morning routine that includes small cleaning tasks: making the bed, airing out rooms, or unloading the dishwasher. A structured morning routine keeps them on track. Making the bed, for example, is a quick task that instantly makes the bedroom feel neater. Airing out rooms by opening windows for a few minutes brings in fresh air and reduces stale odors. Another part of the routine might be putting away any lingering clutter from the night before. One senior said she likes to sip her coffee while unloading the dishwasher, turning a chore into a peaceful ritual. These small tasks create momentum that carries through the day. 6. Use smart storage solutions. A clutter-free home often comes down to smart storage. Seniors with clean homes invest in baskets, bins, and shelves that make it easy to keep things out of sight, but within reach. Seniors often prefer labeled storage solutions, making it easy to find items quickly. For instance, a basket in the living room might hold remote controls, while a labeled bin in the closet organizes winter scarves. They also embrace multi-purpose furniture, like ottomans with hidden storage or beds with drawers underneath. One senior shared that she uses clear plastic bins for pantry items, ensuring everything stays organized and visible. These solutions not only reduce clutter, but also save time during daily tasks. 7. Stick to small, manageable tasks. Rather than overwhelming themselves with a full-day cleaning spree, seniors break tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. They might vacuum one day, dust the next, and clean windows the day after. Breaking tasks into smaller pieces makes cleaning feel less daunting. For example, instead of cleaning an entire room, they might focus on one area, like organizing a bookshelf or wiping down a single countertop. A senior shared her approach. She sets a timer for 15 minutes and cleans as much as she can in that time. Once the timer is up, she's free to stop or continue if she feels motivated. This method keeps cleaning stress-free and sustainable. 8. Keep cleaning supplies handy. Accessibility is key. Many seniors keep cleaning supplies in each area where they're needed. This reduces the friction of having to go hunt for them. Keeping supplies within reach simplifies daily cleaning tasks. For instance, having a microfiber cloth and a small bottle of multi-surface cleaner in every bathroom means spills and smudges can be tackled immediately. In the kitchen, storing cleaning supplies under the sink ensures quick access for wiping counters or mopping up spills. A senior on a forum mentioned her grab-and-go caddy, which she carries around the house for more extensive cleaning sessions. This convenience encourages consistency. 9. Invite nature in. Adding plants or fresh flowers not only enhances the look of a home, but also makes it feel cleaner and fresher. Seniors with clean homes often nurture a few low-maintenance plants or place flowers in strategic spots. Plants like pothos, succulents, or peace lilies require minimal care and improve air quality, adding to the overall sense of cleanliness. Fresh flowers in a vase can brighten up a dining table or kitchen counter, creating a welcoming atmosphere. One senior shared her routine of clipping a few blooms from her garden every week, saying it brings a sense of joy and connection to nature. Even something as simple as a small herb garden on the windowsill can make a space feel more alive. 10. Reflect on the why. Clean homes aren't just about aesthetics. Seniors often clean because it brings them joy, peace, and even a sense of accomplishment. They see it as a form of self-care and a way to show love to their homes. Cleaning becomes more meaningful when tied to a deeper purpose. For instance, one senior shared that she cleans her kitchen every night because it reminds her of the love and care her mother showed when preparing family meals. Another said that maintaining a tidy home helps her feel in control and reduces anxiety. Viewing cleaning as an act of gratitude rather than a chore transforms it into a fulfilling and uplifting experience. Adopt seasonal deep cleaning rituals. While daily habits keep things manageable, seniors with clean homes often embrace seasonal cleaning as an opportunity to refresh their space. They focus on tasks like flipping mattresses, deep cleaning carpets, or washing curtains. Seasonal cleaning helps seniors tackle overlooked areas and prevent long-term grime buildup. One senior mentioned her spring ritual of thoroughly cleaning windows and screens, letting in more natural light. Another shared her fall routine of inspecting and organizing her wardrobe to prepare for colder months. These seasonal rituals not only rejuvenate the home, but also provide a sense of accomplishment. 12. Create zones for activities. Seniors with clean homes often designate specific areas for different activities, such as reading, crafting, or exercising. By keeping these zones organized, they ensure that each space remains functional and clutter-free. Zoning helps maintain order and reduces the temptation to scatter belongings around the house. For instance, a crafting corner might include labeled bins for supplies, while a reading nook could feature a small side table and a neatly arranged stack of books. One senior shared that having an exercise mat permanently set up in her wellness zone motivates her to stay active while keeping the rest of her home tidy. Clear zones make it easier to transition between activities without creating chaos. 13. Make cleaning a social or relaxing activity. Seniors with clean homes often find ways to make cleaning enjoyable. Whether it's inviting a friend to declutter together or listening to an audiobook while scrubbing floors, they find ways to add joy to the process. Turning cleaning into a shared or relaxing activity shifts it from being a chore to something more rewarding. One senior mentioned that she hosts a quarterly decluttering day with friends, where they tackle each other's homes while catching up over coffee. Another shared how she uses her favorite playlist as a timer for cleaning sessions, dancing her way through tasks. By pairing cleaning with something enjoyable, the process feels less like work and more like self-care. 14. Plan a weekly deep cleaning day. Seniors with perpetually clean homes often designate one day a week for deeper cleaning tasks, such as vacuuming carpets, scrubbing floors, or wiping down appliances. Having a set day reduces decision fatigue and ensures these larger tasks aren't neglected. For example, a senior might set aside Saturday mornings to clean the refrigerator, replace linens, and dust high shelves. One retiree shared her routine of tackling one major task each week, rotating between areas like the kitchen, bathrooms, and windows. This approach keeps deep cleaning manageable and prevents a buildup of grime. 15. Maintain a laundry schedule. Rather than letting laundry pile up, seniors with clean homes stick to a regular laundry schedule. This ensures clean clothes and linens are always available, and the laundry area remains organized. For example, they might dedicate Mondays to washing clothes and Fridays to linens and towels. They fold and put away items promptly to avoid clutter. One senior explained how she sets a timer to switch loads quickly and prevent forgotten laundry. Having a rhythm keeps the laundry process efficient and stress-free. 16. Embrace seasonal maintenance. In addition to daily habits, these seniors integrate seasonal tasks like changing air filters, deep cleaning rugs, or washing windows into their routines. Seasonal maintenance prevents larger problems down the line. For example, one senior mentioned she schedules HVAC cleaning every spring to ensure her home stays comfortable and dust-free. Another shared her habit of refreshing outdoor spaces, like wiping patio furniture and sweeping porches as part of her seasonal tasks. These periodic habits complement daily routines and ensure the home stays in top shape year-round. When it comes down to it, maintaining a clean home isn't about perfection, it's about habits. These seniors don't wait for motivation or special occasions to tidy up. They've made cleanliness a part of their daily lives, and the result? Homes that radiate warmth, care, and comfort. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your routine, there's so much inspiration to draw from their example. Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching.